In this question, we talk about the rate of change of temperature over 3 different blocks. So first, let's draw a diagram to represent the information. A piece of metal is heated to 428 degrees Celsius before it is left to cool. So let's write down the temperature here. Then it is cooling at this rate, 23 degrees per minute for the first 3 minutes. So for the first 3 minutes over here, 3 minutes, we know that it drops at this rate of 23 degrees Celsius per minute. Then for the next 15 minutes, it cools down at a different rate, which is 15 degrees Celsius per minute. And eventually it reaches the room temperature, which is 25 degrees Celsius at the rate of 8 degrees per minute. So we have gotten all the information represented here. Now, to find out the temperature of the metal after 9 minutes, we refer to the diagram here. So for 3 minutes, it's going to cool down at this rate, and for the remaining 6 minutes, it will be following this rate. Therefore, let's find out the amount of temperature that it has dropped over the period here. So the temperature drop over here would be 23 degrees Celsius times 3, that gives us 69 degrees Celsius. And the next one here, we only need 6 minutes at this rate. So it's 15 degrees Celsius times 6. That will give us 90 degrees Celsius. So with this, to find the temperature at this point, right, 9 minutes point, it would be temperature at, okay, say after 9 minutes, okay, would be 428 minus 69 minus 90 degrees Celsius. That will give us 269 degrees Celsius, which is the answer. Next, to find out the total time taken for the metal to reach a temperature of 25 degrees from 428, it means that we need the time here so that we can add the 3 times together. In order to find the time here, we need to know the temperature so that we can use the difference between these two temperatures divided by the rate. That will give us the time taken. So how to find this temperature? So next thing is, let's take a look here. 15 minutes, 15 degrees Celsius. So the time taken for this is 15 minutes, and the temperature would be, the temperature drop would be 15 degrees Celsius times the 15 minutes, which will be 225 degrees. So since it is 225 degrees over here, we will be able to find out the temperature here. Okay, so the temperature would be 428 degrees Celsius minus the temperature here, which is 69, and then minus this temperature, which is 225. That will give us 134 degrees Celsius. So it means that the temperature here is 134 degrees Celsius. Given this piece of information, now we can find the temperature difference here. So the temperature difference will be 134 degrees Celsius minus 25 degrees Celsius. That will be 109 degrees Celsius. So now we know the temperature difference, the change on temperature, and we know the rate. Hence, to find the time taken, which is this time taken, it will be the temperature difference divided by the rate which will give us this time. Now, to get the total time, now what we need to do is to sum up this, and this. So total time will be 31 and 5 out of 8 minutes. The last part of the question asks, write down one assumption made in this scenario. So the assumption made is the rate of change of temperature within this range in the first 3 minutes is constant. The rate of change of temperature in the next 15 minutes is constant at 15 degrees Celsius, and the rate of change of temperature in the third portion is constant at 8 degrees per minute.